In Content Manager, you can change a template with Content Designer. Let's see how to do this and how the changes affect the generated document. Click Design to open Content Designer. Here you can change the template. Let's add an email address. Click Finish. In Content Manager, activate the Change template. In Salesforce, navigate to our global trade opportunity. Click Extreme Word to open Extreme Power Docs. Select the respective template and click Create. Now, supply all mandatory answers in interview mode and click Create. PowerDocs Word is opened and the document is generated. You can see your changes. You have changed the template and generated a new document of it. Thank you for watching.